Trump said yesterday after getting COVID and stuff, he basically denied COVID again and he said, I'll kiss everyone.
What?
Yeah.
He'll kiss everyone?
Yeah.
Who?
That he'll give everyone a big fat kiss.
What the f***?
And you want to go to America?
That's
First one getting a kiss.
It's mad nice.
Take a look at this.
This is my first mukbang. This is the first time I'm ever eating a BURGERKING burger in India. Great way to start a mukbang series. Fiery chicken.
And how is it?
Solid 5.8. Guys, always get fresh fries. Fresh fries anywhere you go. Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
KFC?
Yeah, come to KFC. Kunal, welcome to our mukbang. We just did BURGERKING, then now we're doing KFC.
Nice.
Yeah.
How's it going so far?
Good, how's your miso rice meal?
Seven.
7?
7.5.
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah.
What do you guys get from Burger?
This is a solid 7.5.
Where are we right now? What city?
Venus. Venus.
Everyone's speaking Punjabi, right? Everyone.
We're in Punjab, that's why. Wow. Thank you.
Wow. Thanks. Thanks.
Trying to make this work again. Thank you for supporting me.
Try, bro. The name is Fun Flips and you're saying no fun.
That's what I'm saying, it doesn't look like fun.
It looks like fun.
Looks like a scam.
Try it. No.
Yeah.
Try, bro.
No, wait.
Bro, you have to try Fun Flips.
Bro, trust me, it's good.
It's like Kurkure or what?
Bro, it's way better.
Nice.
Aloo tikki. Rating.
Full.
Full. 10 on 10. I think that's aloo tikki. McSpicy chicken is
Is
a solid 8 for McDonald's standard.
McDonald's ticket.
What the f*** are our fries?
It's a scam, bro.
It will come, bro. We're not going anywhere.
Oh my god. Going in. Honey mustard dip.
Oh my god.
So hot, so fresh.
Fire.
Oh, steady.
Fire is so hot.